Hey, what's up? I'm Jay, and today we are transforming the typical household spaghetti into an insanely delicious meal, the spaghetti grilled cheese. Let's get grilling. All right, so the key to this recipe is a nice, good, soft Italian bread that won't turn to mush once the sauce hits it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make some garlic and herb butter. I have a stick of room temperature butter. And I'm just going to get my garlic in there. And I'm going to add in my basil. Again, herbs, you want to add your choice, your preference. Then we just want to mash this up. We want to get everything incorporated nicely into this butter. All right, once I get my butter made, definitely give it a good, nice layer. And then we're going to get some Parmesan cheese. And you can use grated, shredded. It's up to you. You want to make it, pack it on there nice and push it down into your butter. And then what I like to do is once you push it down into your butter, just kind of tap off the excess so that way all of that doesn't fall onto your grill, and reapply where you can. All right, so for your pasta, you can use anything that you want. I've decided to use a nice spaghetti. So what I did was I cooked it a little bit, maybe a minute or two shorter to the actual time on the side of the box to make it a little al dente. All right, so here's where we're gonna start grilling. We are gonna take our buttered and cheese side and we are gonna put it on our grill, okay? You wanna make sure you wanna use about a medium low on this, all right? The next thing we're gonna do is we are going to take a little bit of our sauce and we're going to put our sauce right here on the bread. Then I'm going to take my mozzarella cheese. I'm going to put my mozzarella cheese right on there. Then I'm going to take my spaghetti, whatever your pasta is of choice, and just put it right on there. I'm going to add a little bit of sauce to this side as well. Then I'm going to take my other side of bread and I'm just gonna push it down on there. I'm gonna close up my grill. I'm gonna let this cook around 5 to 6 minutes, then I'm gonna flip it. All right, we flipped it over. And we're just gonna take this off, bring it to the board. Oh my goodness. And there you have it, a new way to eat grilled cheese and spaghetti. Look at that. That's really good. Thanks for watching. I'm Jay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think I should be grilling next. Keep watching for more grilling.